All right, you know what you're here for, folks. We got a dancing Danny, and he's gonna dance, and that crowd's gonna keep on dancing too. Look at him go. So this here is part three of Project B4, which means you can select a different character this time. So this time we're going to press the three button when the shooter comes along in order to select the shooter, and we'll see how that plays out. So here the shooter comes. Oh, he's gunning for a shooting. You see what I did there? I said he's gunning for a shooting. That's an example of wordplay. Very clever by me, the narrator. And there he goes. He shoots Kevin. And we have selected the shooter to control, and now we can see we can move him around, again using the arrow keys. Now the shooter is somewhat similar to Daniel in part two, and that your objective is to pick up as much stuff as you can, but this time you're picking up only objects. You can pick up objects just fine, and if you pick up all the objects, you win. However, if you pick up a scroll, you automatically lose. So here we see the shooter. He's picking up objects. He likes objects. Objects are nice. Who doesn't like objects? I like objects. You probably like objects or something. I don't know. But not scrolls. We don't like scrolls, or at least the shooter doesn't. Now here's a scroll right here, and the shooter's going to go to pick it up. And he loses. He loses.